Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will add some data to our newly created table users. To add a new row, there is one SQL query which is insert into, and then the table name in which we want to insert the row. In this case, it is users. Then there is a keyword value, space and brackets. Now inside this bracket we have to give the values for each column. For first column we are giving 1, which is the ID. In second column we are giving user, which is the username. In comma, for third column we are giving ABC123, which is the password. So insert into users value 1. So this first value will be stored in the first column, which is ID. The second value user will be stored into the second column, which is username. And this third value ABC123 will be stored into this third column, which is password. So let's execute our query. Now the data is successfully inserted, and to visually view that, go to users, right click and select this option, select rows limit 1000, and here you can see all the data in our table will be shown. To add visually, we can do one more thing. We can go to users and select edit table data option. It will open up a visual editor where we can edit the data. So to insert second, click on this, type 2. For username, user 1, and password would be ABCD. After done with the editing, inserting or removal, go to apply. As you can see, it will automatically generate this SQL statement for us, which is insert into my app data users ID, username and password, values to user1 and ABCD. As we click on apply, it will run that SQL statement for us, and hence the data is inserted. So this is how we can insert data into our table by query and by the visual editor of MySQL Workbench. Thank you.